This is a short video on the ways I've been reluctantly drawn into the world of AI. You'll see others who have taken this new epoch with much more enthusiasm. But I'd prefer to have one hand on the wheel as our new robot overlords begin to build out our future. AI search is making me less inclined to engage with the source material. Have you started talking to the AI like it's a person? Resist that temptation. It's nothing more than a next word generator, offering an average, bland, middle-of-the-road answer. Develop a hypothesis and then prompt for the type of answers that you want. And, if at all possible, visit the source material. The websites that have valuable published content, this is where the LLMs have been trained. Part and parcel of any LLM is generalized verbosity. You can be sure that when extra filler words can be added, they will. This is a direct contradiction with the world where we want to minimize effort by consuming less. Resist the temptation to just let the LLM ramble, because in programming, more code hides more possibilities for harboring bugs. Consuming long-form media requires sustained attention. Learning requires a similar kind of investment. But LLMs provide a shortcut with a just-in-time model for information delivery. As a teacher, LLMs can walk you a long way into a prototype to become armed with the knowledge of the correct path when we inevitably have to delete everything and start over. Here I'm running open code in a virtualized environment in YOLO mode, which means that the AI has complete control over the environment that it sees. The other point is that these environments are divorced from the IDEs that show the code. Some would say coding is dead. It may be, but understanding code certainly isn't. The next word machine does not care about code readability, technical debt, or system architectures. So prompting with some context to good form will hopefully lead to long-term code maintainability. I'm running ChatGPT inside VS Code, and it's currently looking at the README and agents file, which one, agents is a skill, and the README is what I'm intending to produce. Note that the AI has hallucinated some extra lines of code here, and you can tell because the linter has already flagged syntax errors. Cycles of trial and error with the help of an LLM may be useful, especially when similar issues arise in the future. Nobody is talking about the non-trivial amount of times LLMs confidently give you the wrong answer, chase their tail, or prefer to add fixes on top of what's broken. So I found a deficiency in the skill in that I've had to steer the AI to fix one of its errors. And as a result of that steering, it's forgotten some of those skills to do a test. So I've had to also steer it to do the completion test. And the definition of done is sometimes lost by the AI. So I'm excited by the future, but I worry about the next generation of programmers who are going to have less to do with the minutiae of code. At the moment, vibing a prototype solution is a long way from maintaining a production legacy. But I expect the human-machine interface to evolve much faster than most of us can keep up.